guys, so I'm back vlogging and I'm in the closet. But the only reason I'm in here technically, also number 2, is because we're about to do our photo shoot tomorrow. That break was awesome. I was like, I put a face mask on, did a foot spa. I wanted to vlog so much, but I was like, no. So, about to pick out my clothes and yeah. My dinner looks a little disfigured because I was picking it up and I was like, wait, vlog time, you know. Got my wrap and it's vegan, you know. I got that hummus, we got that tomato, we didn't have that cheese because we're vegan, and just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So when you walk in my room, this is the first setup that you see. Those are more clothes for photo shoots. So those are like a lot of clothes. I basically just moved my nightstand and got my record player. Sit here, laugh, and take pictures. This is my outfit. Honestly, that was really good pictures. Yes, I really like those. I'm gonna forgot what my, oh, I didn't remember my next setup. Okay, bye. So guys, I'm back home. Yesterday was a really unproductive day and I had homework, so I didn't vlog. Today, Tuesday, it's like 3:40, so I'm out of breath. Walked up 2 flights of stairs, but it's 2:40, so I'm gonna go ahead and get my video up and ready to go up at 6. So I'm busy.
I'm just watching animations because I got stuff.
I'm just like editing old videos, vlogs, and I was looking and I was like, oh, maybe I should do a desk tour on this channel. So watch out, that's might be coming up. And you see that our outfits are the same. That's because those days were spring break, so I didn't really go anywhere, so I just kept on wearing the same outfit because I literally went nowhere. That's why I saw the same outfit. I find this really satisfying. I don't like my fingers like this, but do you find it really satisfying how it just fills up? I was about to show you at like the last seconds of filling up, but yes, it's uploaded, so let me go check it out. Yes. So I'm gonna go make the thumbnail and stuff and then do a description and then come back with you guys later. So yes, it's done. So when this video gets up tomorrow, which is Wednesday, it will post on my Twitter. This, it will be uploaded to this, scheduled, title, this as usual. I don't like putting descriptions anymore, just for like, you know, I got to go. Hello guys, so the date and the time is on the screen. I forgot I was looking right there. Well, I should be looking at you guys, but I got my hair done. Did not all the way. I just gotta get some gel and make it like, you know. Some things I want to get done today is I want to edit my non-everyday makeup routine, get that published, make my lunch for school because I'm vegan. For school, lip color, eyes, all looking good. Nice outfit of the day. Never wore anything like this. I wore something like this, but like not like this. I have 10 minutes to get to the bus. Go ahead and make my lunch and then get my video uploaded and then we done. The time is on the screen and I have to get ready to go, get my shoes on. And yes, I'm not making tea today because I don't have time and I didn't upload my video, but it's all good, you guys. It's all good. Hey guys, I'm back from school and the time is on the screen. I got back almost an hour ago. Yes, I am doing some homework on compound theoretical probability and I'm just editing a vlog too. I'm about to go make me some oatmeal because I'm hungry. About to watch my favorite YouTubers ever. Hashtag the Scories, hashtag Gabriella's Scory, hashtag that whole faction series, hashtag their comedy, hashtag their gaming channel, hashtag everything they do. I love them. Honestly, they're the best. You guys love it when I show this, but I have all of these clips. I'm just gonna, first thing I do kind of is like I go and then I color correct them. This color corrects it for me. And then I just go in here and play with it a little bit. And then I just drag all the clips and put them right here so it's easier for me to edit. And then I add the music underneath and then I start editing and putting clips out. And by the way, I'm using iMovie, yeah. Oh, my nails, oops. So the time is on the screen as usual. Vlog right now from like the 5th. I think it's called Working at My Office. Make sure you go check that out because some people watch it in order. I don't know if you do. I'll take a shower and listen to my podcast. Don't know when to end the vlog.